Ituria kieha nirigumiiri andu a nyumba arata na aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri niguo kuhe gitio kia muthia arutwo ikumi a thukuru wa muthingi wa St Gabriel mwena wa Mwingi aria makwiriire mutino-ini wa barabara. Akiariria aciari na andu a nyumba a ciana ici, Archbishop Anthony Nigeria ni acakaire nao na oho kumomiriria ihinda-ini riri iritu. Akiheana ndumiriri ya macakaya kuma kuri Atongoria wa bururi, Minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed ni augire ati thirikari ni kurugamirira ngarama ya mathiko ya arutwo acio othe.
Tragedy could have been avoided had all concerned parties adhered to traffic regulations and laws. I ask teachers, parents and guardians to be more keen, ensure the safety of our children, for they are our future. It's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be late by one day than to lose precious lives.
Amina auma hamwe na mwandiki mukaru wa githomo Belio Kipsang uria urutire mukana na kuria andu marumirire mawatho maria magathikitwo.
We therefore direct our school managers to observe and enforce the 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. directive for the sake of our children. We all are given a responsibility to ensure that the future of our country is protected, and we can only do that by making sure that we protect our children.
Atongoria angi aria megwikinyitie ni hamwe na gavana wa Kitui Charity Ngilu, mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka ni megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri.
This county will continue to give you all the support that we can. I've heard all the leaders who have spoken here, those who have blamed the road, blamed the drivers, but I want to say, for today, I want to apportion no blame to anybody, but we need to put things right.
Nilijaribu sana kukomboa masaa. But if you can imagine, if the road from Kibwezi to Mwingi was tarmacked, they would have been here latest by 4 o'clock.
Akiaria hindi ya igongona riri, mubunge wa Mwingi ya gatagati Gideon Mutemo ni amenereirie mundu uria uhetwo kandarathi ya guthondeka barabara ya Thika guthie Garissa, akiuga ni agondereire wira-ini wake. Mihango ya mathiko itanyitwo kwambiriria gatano kiumia giki kaunti-ini itiganite. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.